here's my Greenworks 80 volt battery showing, after about 4 months of ownership, battery showing red and will not operate in the device. So, and I got 2 batteries with this set with a 21-inch mower, not to mention a weed whacker that I got. So this battery is ruined or broken or overcharged or otherwise doesn't operate. Now we're going to go out here to where I have the number 2 battery. It's in my 21-inch mower, and we'll confirm here that charge anyway. This is charged. You can see 3 lights. Okay, now see how long this lasts. See, I was going to be happy to be an ambassador for this great company, but you've cheated me, so now we're not going to be friends.